Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete my Soundtrap account. It's so sad for Soundtrap to see you go. But here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to delete your Soundtrap account. The first thing you like to do is to open your browser and go to Soundtrap web app at soundtrap.com and log into your Soundtrap account using your credentials. Once logged in, on the home page here, click on your profile name at the top left to open the drop-down menu by clicking the three dots menu right next to your profile name. So here you have settings, subscription to logouts. Now click on settings. On the settings page, you're going to have to scroll down to the point where you can delete your account. Now, as you can see in the settings page, we have first name, we have country, we have language of email, password, permission, and we have notifications, and there is nothing that looks like close your account. But I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you what to do since there is no direct way to close your account here. If you click on this, it's only logouts that you find. So here is how you can change or you can close your account. Head over here to the bottom right corner of the screen. We have the speech bubble with support. Now click on support. And once you click on support, you'll be able to connect with Soundtrap support. That's the chat bot. So in here, let them know, I want to delete. Punch it. And I'm going to give you a couple of detailed steps that will enable you to delete your account. So here's some articles that may help. How do I delete my account? So you can choose here, how do I delete my account using the Soundtrap app. So it's a chapter 3 icon, tap in profile icon at the bottom, then head over to profile setting and delete account button. Deleting your account, remove all your recorded materials and projects. All right. But now you see that once you click on that, you will not be able to find. Okay, so you see that once you click on the three dots menu, you see that there's no option for you to close your account. To delete your account, of course, once you click on settings, there's no option for you to close your account here. So just go ahead and further let them know that there's no option for you to close your account there and you really need help. You really need help. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.